Hello, happy people, and welcome to your Moment of Zed, the YouTube channel dedicated to the most beautiful car in the world, the BMW Z3, or as the folks in Gracefield call it, the Z3. I'm Mark, and today I want to tell you about a company I discovered, or they discovered me, I guess. Back in September, I got an email from a gentleman named Ivan, who actually lives up in Quebec, Canada. But he is part of a company called DIY Detail based out of Omaha, Nebraska. So it's a U.S. company. And he wrote me and said, hey, I was looking for a car to buy and I came upon your channel. And your enthusiasm for the Z3 convinced me to buy a Z3. He bought a Z3, which of course he detailed with products from his company. And he said, hey, can I send you some of these products? No obligation. Give them a shot. See if you like them. I said, all right, well, hey, that's great to hear about your Z3. Congratulations. And I would be more than happy to preview some of your products and more than happy to do a video if I like them. So he sent me quite a few products, which I'll show you in a moment. And I used some of them and I like some of them. So I wanted to show you those from a fellow Z3 enthusiast who's in the detailing business. But before we do that, we have 3 Zeds of the week. And first up, we have Ben from New Orleans, Louisiana, with his 2001 3-liter 5-speed Roadster that he bought from carsandbids.com. Now, this car was also featured in my video, Bargain Basement Beamers. I pulled that picture from Cars and Bids. He bought that car very recently. He needs to do a new fender liner on the passenger side, some chip and dent repairs, and he needs to get a new top. Ben, I'd love to know what that cool yellow car next to the Z3 is when you get a chance. Next up, we have Dave from near Dayton, Ohio, the most beautiful state in the nation, with his 1996 1.9-liter 5-speed Roadster with only 25,000 miles. Now, Dave searched for this particular type car for a long time. He wanted a base model 1.9 with the least amount of technology possible, and he found it. He's only the 3rd owner. He's done the seat bushings, the whole new cooling system, a new head unit, new kick panel speakers, removed the glove box crash plate, put on new brakes, rear shocks. He's reconditioned the leather seats, put in LED side and running lights. He found a new used storage box cover from eBay, also a new center armrest and cup holder, and he's added a tonneau cover as well. Very nice car. And last but not least, we have Ivan from Quebec, Canada, who really this video's about, with his 2000 2.5-liter 5-speed Roadster in a gorgeous sienna red with only 66,000 miles. Now, Ivan says this is all stock except for the radio, and he detailed it using his company's C6 ceramics diamond gloss coating. He has a video about that on his YouTube channel, linked to his YouTube channel in the description. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for sharing your beautiful cars. If you'd like to see your car on Zed of the Week, please follow the easy instructions in the description below, as always. And now let's go ahead and look at Ivan and DIY Detail's products. Here's everything that Ivan sent me. First, he did a little questionnaire for me about what kind of auto cleaner detailer I am, and I'm pretty simple. I don't go too crazy on it because this is my daily driver. Not a show car, but he sent me a bottle of the rinseless wash, which I actually didn't use, and more not because I don't think it might be a good product, but because I'm kind of old-fashioned. I do my wash with water. I'll try it another day. I just haven't tried it yet. He also sent me a bottle of ceramic gloss, ceramic detail spray. I think similar to products I've shown here before. It worked fine. I did use it. The Incredible Suds car shampoo, which is definitely the kind of product I would use. It makes an amazing amount of suds. It gave me a great wash. I can definitely recommend that. And again, it's concentrated. You don't have to use too much of it, 2 to 3 ounces. I probably didn't even use that much. Something about a lot of suds makes you feel like you're getting things cleaner, I guess. Interior Clean and Protect, which I used, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. The All Clean All-Purpose Cleaner, I haven't used that yet, but I think I know a use I may have for this, so I may try this in a future video. The Quick Beads graphene infused ceramic sealant, and I've heard good things about graphene products. This is the kind of thing where you put it on wet. I haven't done that yet, and again, it may just be because I'm old-fashioned, but I may give it a shot another day. This is the one that probably interested me the most, the tire dressing. If you saw my video about son of a gun, the tire shine stuff I bought at the dollar store the other day, which was terrible. I've been really looking for something good, and I really like this product, so I'm gonna take a look at that today. He also finally sent me this beautiful giant microfiber cloth towel, which is great. And again, Ivan, I do appreciate it. I'm going to take a look at a couple of the products I like the most in detail, so here we go. Okay, so the first product I really wanted to show in detail that I liked was the Interior Clean and Protect. Again, I remember back in the day when your choices for interior cleaning was basically the old-fashioned Armor All and make your car super shiny and greasy and sticky, and it would look like you were a used car salesman, you know, trying to pull one over on people by making everything shiny. I hate that kind of finish. I just want my interior to be clean. I don't want it to be super glossy and fake looking, and this stuff does a great job. It's very simple. Spray it on a microfiber cloth. Let me spin around here, and you only need a little bit. Wipe it on, and you're done if you want to be done. If you want it a little bit less shiny, just go ahead and buff it off. Pretty typical of products like this. But it leaves a really good finish. It gets things nice and clean, and you don't need to use a lot. I really like this product. I'm going to keep using it. I haven't used it on the leather. I don't know if you can. You'd have to check with Ivan, shoot him an email. But I'll use it on everything that's not leather in here. I have some other products I like for leather. And I'm definitely going to use this. Really like it. So I have to admit I'm cheating a little bit. I want to show you the tire dressing. So I thought, well, I'll just wash the whole car, including the tires, and then put on the tire dressing. But I'm feeling a little lazy, and I just washed the car the other day. So I'm going to wash the tires, but I wanted to show this, not that me washing the tires, because that's not exciting, but the incredible Suds car shampoo. I got half a bucket, one of these Home Depot buckets, 5-gallon buckets of really nice Suds out of, geez, it couldn't even have been an ounce of the product. And again, I don't know what it is about Suds, but you just feel like you're cleaning better. And I forgot this from the other day, it smells like grapes. So, hey, if you like grapes. But anyways, I do like this car shampoo. So I'm going to go ahead and wash these tires and do the tire dressing. Okay, the other product I wanted to show in detail is the tire dressing. I've been looking for a good one, and I really like this. Number one, it's very easy to use, so let me show you. I know it's not that much different from any of these other products, or similar products. But basically you spray it on, and the one thing I like about this sprayer is however it's designed, it's pretty accurate about not getting stuff everywhere. In other words, it's pretty easy to point just at the tire and not all over your driveway or the fender well or your wheel. And it's a very, it's not a viscous liquid. It really does a nice job of running into all the nooks and crannies of your tire. And then you just leave it on for a little while, and then you wipe off the excess. So let me get the stuff that did get on the wheel off, as I always do. And I'm going to leave that sit for just 5 or 6 minutes, and then we'll come back and wipe it off, and we'll take a look at that shine. Okay, so I've given it a few minutes, and as you can see, you can still see it on there. Just going to go ahead, as the instructions said, wipe off the excess. And what you're left with is really a pretty good shine. It is not super high gloss, but also my tires are 10 years old. Going to be changing them soon, I promise. But you get a nice finish. It's not super high gloss, but you can definitely see that you did it. Anyone else looking at the car could tell that you spent some time on your tires. And one thing I like about this is, unlike some of the really high gloss stuff that 2 days later you can't even tell you put it on, this stuff lasts a good week easy, and you can still tell you did it under normal daily driving conditions. So I like that. It's fairly durable. You don't need to use much either. I've done the car twice. I've probably used, geez, maybe a tenth of the bottle. I bet you could easily get 20 4-tire applications out of this without a problem at all. So there you have it. I like it, and I'm going to keep using it. And again, Ivan, thank you for sending. So folks, there you have it. I really like the DIY detail products that I showed you. They have a lot more that someone like me might not use because I'm not that deep into detailing my car. Maybe you are. Click on their website, give them a look. You're helping out a fellow Z3 driver, so that's nice. Ivan, thank you so much again for sending me the products. I wish you tons of luck with the company and your Z3. Welcome to the club. And if you found this content valuable, as always, please crush that like button. And until next time, remember, friends don't let friends drive boring.